pretty much I think dead fish might actually smell better than what this bag smells like. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the end of football season and the beginning of whatever died in my Sutton's bag for football season, because he puts his cleats in here, he puts his gloves in here. His cleats are terrible as well, but this bag will smell up a house, a room, a trunk. Pretty much I think dead fish might actually smell better than what this bag smells like. So this is where this Tide Clean Boost really kind of shines. So they are not sponsoring this video. It just works really well for cleaning that deep down, disgusting smelling, which I can barely stand the smell while I'm standing here. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna show you how we're gonna clean this. And we're gonna start with just putting it into our washing machine with our normal detergent. And this little thing, if you guys haven't seen this little thing yet, we'll put a link in the description below. It is one of those things where you go, how did I live without this? Because it catches all of the drips after you do it, but as you fill it up, you have a little cup there, so you can fill it up just like that. And then when you're done, you pour it in, you put your cup back, and it catches any drips or anything that might happen from this, and you don't have to really worry about it. It's fantastic. I'll put a link in the description below for that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw some laundry detergent right inside this bag. We're gonna throw it in our washing machine, and because we're in a rental, we don't have the ability to add this into our fabric softener location. We have to do it when it's on the rinse cycle. So we have to kind of wait for that and then add it directly into the water there, and this should work really great. So we're gonna start with this. We're gonna throw it in here, and we are gonna get rid of that nasty smell that comes with sports. So whether your kid's in soccer, with soccer cleats, or football like ours, or what, doesn't really even matter. Hockey, I heard hockey's terrible for just gear smelling. We're gonna start our washing machine with just that in it, and then, like I said, we'll listen for the rinse cycle. We'll keep an eye on this for our rinse cycle, and we'll add this. If you have the ability to add it to your washing machine, to your fabric softener location, you can do that as well, and then you don't have to waste your time doing what we're doing. So we'll show you how it turns out.
1 hour later.
Okay, so this Tide Clean Boost, it's like a fabric rinse. They call it a fabric rinse. It isn't cheap, right? But you can, this bag smelled terrible. Like my entire trunk smelled. I could smell it in the back of my pickup truck. It smelled that bad. And it looks brand new inside. And even the little fabric piece that's in here, so the rest of this is kind of that, you know, like that waterproof type thing. Even that smells completely clean. Like you could literally stick your head in here. Now obviously we didn't dry this bag, but what we did is we kept the pockets open. We showed you how we did it with our washing machine, without a fabric, you know, without the fabric thing built in with the agitator, and it came out perfect. So it looks like a brand new bag inside and out. And obviously we need to dry it more. There's a little bit of wetness to it yet and that sort of thing, but look at the inside of that. Boom. And there was cleats in there, there was pads in there. An entire season worth of smell was all in one bag, and now we're ready for the next season, which is coming up. Soccer season's coming up, so we got that coming up. So this worked great. We'll put a link in the description below. This stuff isn't cheap. This is what they call the trial size of it. It's like $8, $9. You can get it at Target, Walmart, anywhere else. You can get it online, Amazon.com. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check that out. They do not sponsor this video. We just believe it works that damn good. So that's why we're telling you about it. That's it. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Super thanks is always welcome. We love coffee, and coffee's not getting any cheaper. So thanks. We'll see you next time.